Hello, and welcome to the second topic in the JSS1 scheme of work. The topic is integers. In the course of this topic, we will be learning the definition of integers, definition of number line, addition of positive integers using number line, subtraction of positive integers using number line, addition of negative integers using number line, subtraction of negative integers using number line, arranging positive integers in ascending order, arranging positive integers in descending order, arranging negative integers in ascending order, arranging negative integers in descending order, and then arranging mixed integers in ascending and descending order. By the end of this topic, we expect that you should be able to perform tasks on each of these itemized objectives. Thank you.